Hello, hello, hello. How's everybody doing today? I am out exercising, Uh, taking a little walk, getting some exercise. Oh my goodness. But I just wanted to let everybody know some of the things that I do to kind of help stay in shape. Some of my fitness tips. So, I'm trying not to step on nothing over here. A few branches on the ground and stuff. But anyways, I come out and I take a walk. I try to walk at least 3 times a week. My goal is to hit of working out at least an hour a day. At least. It's very difficult. It's not easy to do. But yes. I'm trying to work myself up to doing at least a good hour of working out a day. And it could be anything. You can walk, you can run, you could do aerobics, you could get in the gym. You can do all type of things. Do what's best for you. I think walking is good. I think it's really good. Every time I think about an incident that happened at my job before, where this guy that was he was crazy physically fit, muscular, everything, strong guy, and he ended up almost dying. And one of the main reasons is because he didn't do any cardio. He didn't do any cardio, so he had ended up having heart problems because he didn't exercise the most important muscle of his body, which is the heart. So walking is really good for that. And right now I'm going up a hill, so it's not easy. But it feels good though. You take a walk, you clear your mind, you know what I'm saying? Oh, and it helps to relieve stress. It gets your blood circulating. It helps you to lose weight. Walking does a lot of good things for the body. It really does. But yeah, I just wanted to come up here kind of briefly and just kind of let y'all get a peek into what I do to help keep me in shape. And it's just taking a simple walk. Sometimes I go 20 minutes, sometimes I go 30 minutes. Like, you don't have to be, killing yourself trying to get in shape. You don't have to do intense things. Do what's best for you. Another thing I like to do to keep in shape is dance. Dancing is great for keeping in shape. So that's another good thing to check out, or to maybe apply to your daily lifestyle. If only, you know what I'm saying, if you enjoy dancing, that's a good way. That's another good way. It's definitely a good way to stay in shape. And dance like about an hour a day and you are good. Minimum 30. But at least an hour. An hour will get you to that point of really good physical health, really good, health in general. So that's a good thing to do as well. Another thing I recommend to do is to meditate. Meditating is awesome. Okay, I was sleeping on it before. It really is good to meditate. Really, really good to meditate. Um, that helps with your mental fitness, your mental health. And I definitely think everyone should be doing some type of form of meditation every day. I put this app on my phone called Headspace. It's really good. It's almost like having your own little like counselors at home to help you stay mentally healthy. Uh, it's a really good app. It's free right now for anybody that's like unemployed or whatever. You get it free for a whole year. So I think that's a really good thing to get if you need that. But I think in general, it's just a good app in general to keep, even if you are like mentally stable, mentally, you're fine stress wise, you're fine. It's still good to have a practice of um, of meditating to maintain like good mental health. It really is good because especially nowadays with so much going on, there's a lot of people experiencing a lot of different stress and different things are coming out because of that. So I think it's definitely a good thing to look into. Headspace. But right now I have on my phone, I have Google Fit. And it's I know everybody has Gmail and Google, use Google and everything on their phone. I downloaded their Google Fit app and I love it. It lets you know when you've reached, your weekly goal of having optimum let me let me rephrase that of having good heart health. It really really helps with that. So I have it on my phone. It counts my steps. It counts everything. It even lets me know how many calories I burn, everything. And it's free. It's a free app. So free through Google. So I definitely recommend everybody checking that out. It's a really good app. Uh, and of course, diet is another thing to be aware of and mindful of when you're trying to achieve a goal of just good health in general. Eat the foods that are best for your body. Definitely if you have a doctor, what they recommend, you go ahead and do what they recommend doing. But for me, low carb dieting works the best. Oh my God, it's a lot of bugs out here. Low carbs work the best for me. Just kind of cutting back on the carbs because that's kind of, I think for most people, that's the main thing really that puts weight on you. If you don't have like a health issue that's causing health, health problems and weight gain and stuff. I really think that absolutely carbs is one of the main things that put weight on you. It kind of sits there and it just builds up. The more carbs you eat, the more it builds up and the more fat a person gets. But yes, I cut back on my carbs. I'm drinking my extreme shakes every day. And that's being helpful as well because that burns fat in your body and it gives you energy and everything. It actually helps me have energy to take these walks. Uh, but yes, absolutely. Definitely be mindful what you eat and take baby steps. Start cutting some things out. One of the things I did was I cut out sugar completely and I only use stevia. So, I mean, that made a big difference because sugar can actually put a lot of weight on you as well. So, any added sugar I put in my coffee or whatever that I used to, let me rephrase that I used to put in my coffee, I put stevia in now, and that's no carbs. There's no carbs in it, so it's the best thing to use for a sweetener, in my opinion, and it's natural. Okay. And another good tip is if you kind of just be aware of what your weight is, be aware of what your BMI is. Keep on checking that. You know, from time to time. Sometimes I check my weight daily. Then other times I check my weight like here and there. But I'm always mindful of what my weight is so that I can make sure it doesn't go over what it what it shouldn't be. So I always keep an eye, keep a track on my weight loss. I'm not gonna say gain, but in the past it was more so gain, 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 but now it's weight loss. I always keep track of that. But anyways, okay, turn back around, head back up the hill. Oh, Jesus, Lord have mercy. But this is great though. I needed this. Working out is the best thing that you can do for longevity, because even if you eat right and you don't work out, your body is gonna fall apart. So it's a combination of those different things. You know what I'm saying? Changing your diet, take baby steps with that. Definitely working out whenever possible. You could take baby steps with that too, even if you start with 10 minutes a day. Then go to 15, 20 minutes a day, then 30 minutes a day. You start to create habits. And next thing you know, you're like dropping pounds and you're looking better. And then it becomes a thing where you want to do it because you just feel so much better, really. So, yes. I am about done. I'm getting ready to head back home. But I hope this was helpful to somebody. And absolutely share this if you think this will benefit someone that's trying to get back on track of just getting in shape, losing some weight, being healthy. And also, if you haven't already, go ahead and press the like button for me, show a sister some love, and subscribe to my channel, because I'm definitely going to be doing more updates and just giving a lot of value and just giving a lot of input, opinions, and facts as well, and just things that I know and I'm knowledgeable of that I can pass on. Because being 50 years old now, and I'm a healthy person for my age, so I can actually definitely give back some of the wisdom that I've learned over the years on how to keep my weight down and how to stay healthy. So, with that being said, everybody have a blessed, beautiful day and stay safe. All right? Bye bye now.